On the 1st of October 1930, a former judge, Harbilas Sarda, influenced British India to pass an act. The Sarda Act, as it is now known as, prohibited marriage for girls under 14 and boys under 18. This was a landmark legislation and the first step towards eradicating the practice of child marriage. Independent India would later raise the limits to 18 for women and 21 for men. Empowerment has often been described as the catalyst that can hasten the process of development. An empowerment of the Indian woman is seen as a cure for many of the problems confronting the country's female gender. The argument being, if women are given opportunity for decision-making, they would be in control of their own destiny.
Empowerment of anybody, I would imagine, would be giving them or letting them realize their own potential as people. Empowerment means being able to make choices, being able to make decisions, and not necessarily having this bestowed on you by someone else, but being able to flower to that potential yourself.
The 73rd Constitutional Amendment, endorsed by Parliament in 1993, was historic in more than one way. It first brought about devolution of power to the grassroots level, giving constitutional sanctity to thousands of village councils and municipalities all over the country. But more importantly, 33% of the seats in every village panchayat or council and town bodies have been reserved for women, and a mandatory 33% of the offices of chairpersons are reserved for women. Leelavati is a sarpanch or head of the village council. For Leelavati, empowerment has made it possible to overcome many social stigmas and challenge them head-on.
सरपंच बनने के बाद मैं कोर्ट कचहरी चली जाती हूँ और पहले मैं घर में थे बाहर नहीं निकलती। अब मैं पंचायत में स्कूल बनवाया है और बाउंड्री खिंचवाई, फूटी पड़ी वो करवाई है और गेट बनवाया है फिर के और 7 सड़क बनवाई हैं।
It was the success of this grassroots movement which compelled political parties to propose a 33% reservation of seats in all legislative bodies, including the lower house of parliament, the Lok Sabha, for women. There has been an ongoing spirited debate on this revolutionary proposal, which has generated a major controversy. But women activists are confident it will be only a matter of time before the constitution is amended to incorporate this new law.
Women of this country are saying, don't take us for granted. I mean, you may have the vote inside Parliament, but don't forget we've got the vote outside. That's what we're saying. We have the vote outside Parliament, so listen to us.
Community pressures and the double-edged sword of caste and gender discrimination has often impeded the working of women-led panchayats. However, social scientists maintain that even the small amount of exposure given to a woman by the way of empowerment can bring about dramatic results.
Women in Panchayat are doing excellent work. We have had interaction with women all over the country. We are now preparing a report, status report of what is the Panchayati Raj status, and it is emerging that they have been able to become agents of change in society and they have been able to make a dent.
Over the years, although the battle for equality has been fought by the menfolk, at times dramatic social changes have come from women themselves.